Hi there. So welcome to the Google Bard. So it's finally out there, which is a ChatGPT contender. So let's see what the Google Bard got for us. To sign up, you can go ahead and sign up with bard.google.com with any Gmail ID. And you should receive an interface something similar to this. And pretty much we can prompt for anything we like. For example, let's say plan a itinerary of 5-day trip by train in Europe with a budget of 1500 USD for 2 people. So let's see what we got now. So basically it's already bringing up a possible itinerary for us. So you're talking about you arrive to Paris, check into the hotel and look at the Seine River and look at the city skyline and look at having a dinner in some restaurant there. So follow that, visiting Eiffel Tower, going to a museum and traveling around to Amsterdam and back to your city, right? So it's talking about how to save some money for your trip, like travel during off season. Of course, no rocket science, we are aware about it. Stay in hostels. So in fact, you have $1,500. So staying hostels would be more ideal. And cook your own meals instead of eating out. So that's not possible. So don't try out many times. But yes, so we can go ahead and eat out. So not much issue. I've been there before. So take advantage of free activities as much as possible. Taking walking tours makes sense, right? So basically, pretty much like a human is able to design, because I have been a 5-day trip, more than 7 days sometimes. So I know this is a perfect one, which he is advising for. So stay tuned for more videos like this. You can subscribe to our cloud enabled channel and you can see a lot of videos coming up on ChatGPT, Google Bard, and surrounding voice AI tools, video AI tools, and many more. Keep learning. Hey everyone, I want to bring up a quick shout out to you guys on a brand avio.com, which is an organic cotton t-shirt manufacturer for kids, men, women, and newborn. Go check out AAAVIO.com. Hey everyone, I want to